Hey, it's James the Forager here, and welcome to this week's Wild Food Cook Along, where we look at how to make our favourite super tasty stinging nettle soup. We've probably all heard of it, but have we made it? Let's give it a bash. So for this one, we're only picking the tops of the nettles, the most succulent fresh parts, about the top 5 centimetres of the nettles. To cook this one up, we'll start with one medium-sized potato, cut up quite small so it cooks a bit quicker. Next, one vegetable stock cube and a garlic clove, followed by 500ml of boiling water. I'm going to pop this on the hob for about 5 minutes to simmer and soften the potatoes. I'll then chuck in the chopped leeks to soften for a further 2 minutes, before adding all of the nettle tops to cook for a further 10 minutes. It looks like a lot of nettle here, but like spinach, they'll cook down. I'm using, a small handful of nettles, but you can use more or less. We could have our soup chunky just like this, but I quite like mine smooth, so I'm going to blend it up. You can add a little more stock or hot water if you like it smooth, but I love my soup super thick, so I'm going to leave this one nice and thick here. Pop it into bowls. There we have it. Luscious, delightful bowl of fresh nettle, potato and leek soup. Not only is this super tasty, nettles are a rich source of vitamins A, C, K and several B vitamins. They're packed with iron, calcium, magnesium and potassium and contain loads of fibre which aids digestion. They're fantastic and a massive powerhouse superfood. Free food from the back garden, blended up into this fantastic, delightful soup. Nettle, leek and potato soup. Enjoy!